Well, what have we here? Now, why would they leave this in the middle of Maverick's Reach? The tower gun uphill. Think I can make it snow? I am here in Rosewood, or is it Rosewild? I forget. I am at Nordic Mountain in south central Wisconsin, perhaps more central Wisconsin. Thought we'd do some tubing, check this place out, and hopefully it won't crash. I think I'm up to date on my medical insurance, so that's good. Let's see what they have here at Nordic Mountain. Something that I noticed here in the snow that's just a little bit disturbing to me at a ski area. Why is there yellow here? And no, it wasn't me. It's got a couple of humps here, as you might be able to see. We'll get some people coming down here shortly. I've been here twice before, and at the end here, you can see over here, there's some a little hill that goes up a little bit. It's supposed to be like you break, and then into some fencing. I have gone through the fencing before. We will see if I do that again today. So here we got some people behind me here, having a good time. It is a little slushy here, so it's cold. You would think it would be more icy. It's more sticky. So I have a feeling that we may not be tubing at the full 100 miles an hour. Didn't Clark Griswold do that in Christmas Vacation? Remember? He went on that sled. What did he use? Like a grease lightning or something? That's what I'll need. All right, well, I think it's time to grab a tube here. Or maybe take this on the hill. I'd like to take one of those and snow my neighbors in. Make it a April Fool's joke. And we're off. It's going to be a slow go. What they have here is a human conveyor belt. Humans only, I suppose. This is how the merchandise at places like Walmart must feel like. Just throw it on the conveyor belt, I suppose, huh? I am surprised how empty this place is. It's a great day to be here, weather-wise. They think so. Here we go. It's a race with the people next to us. Oh my God! Woo! We're gonna lose the phone! Oh, we can't have this! Whoa! Whoa! I smell someone making hamburger! Whoa! We're running out of steam here. Ah, brakes. I found something else. More buttons. All right. We got a front view and a back view. There we go. Thank you. Forward and backwards. Woo! Everyone's got in front of me here. I have a camera. We're moving now. Don't come near my eyes. See if we can get over one last hill here. Snow is just a little sticky today. Here come the brakes. All right, I got some YouTube friends here. Here we all go. Woo! Going down really quick here. with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you're into watching grown men scream down hills. I think we're gonna come in second. Woohoo! Whoa! So I got a spin on this one. Getting a little dizzy. I didn't think I would need Dramamine. I'm still doing that. Well, hit the bumps now. In case you were wondering, they use the T-40 snow guns here. Good to know. Going up the human conveyor belt again for the last one down. It gets tiring. Here we go. Well, this is gonna wrap things up here at Nordic Mountain. Catch you on the next video.
Subscribe now